Urhere is the modern online rostering and time and attendance platform for any size business. I'm Chris, the owner of Double Shot Cafe, a multi-venue operation with nearly 50 staff. In Urhere, I can easily create and manage shifts, as well as use some of the time-saving tools in Urhere to create shifts and rosters in seconds. To add a shift, I hover next to any employee on any day and click Add Shift. I'm presented with shift management. This easily allows me to define and configure the shift. I enter a start time and an end using the time selector. Next is defining the shift status. Not published is when I'm planning, allowing me to create shifts without providing any visibility to the employees. Publish provides visibility to the shifted staff via the Urhere employee app. Confirmed is when an employee accepts a shift. Checked in is when an employee has clocked in for a shift using the e-kiosk. Finished is when an employee both checks in and checks out, completing the shift. Rejected is when an employee rejects a shift. All added shifts default to publish, ensuring employees have visibility and the e-kiosk can tie any check-in action to a specific shift. Managing breaks is also made easy with Urhere. Uncheck the box and no breaks are included in the shift. I can include breaks by checking the box, then define both the unpaid and paid breaks in minutes. I can easily create multi-day shifts by checking the applicable days. I can make a note on the shift, and finally I can define the shift location, work area, and any specific role that the employee is undertaking in that specific shift. Press save and done. The shift is created. Urhere has built-in time-saving tools that allow me to create the shift and the entire schedule in seconds. I can copy an existing shift and simply paste it into any respective employee or day. I can also copy the entire week. I go to Tools, select Copy Current Week, select any week, and paste. I go to the selected week and I can see all my shifts are pasted in. I can also save a schedule as a favourite. Once I've created the shifts, I go to Templates, Save New Template and name it. I can go to any week and go to Templates, Load Template and select my favourite. And done. It's that easy. Note, the default shift status for pasting and loading templates is not published. This allows you to make all the final changes before employees get visibility of their rosters and shifts. If I need to start again, I can go to Tools, Clear Schedule, it wipes existing week clean and allows me to build it again. I can easily change the status of all shifts in a week by going to Tools, Publish Options, selecting the desired status of a shift and selecting which shifts I want to change, and then whether I want to notify the employee or not. I perform the update and instantly, now I've changed all my unpublished shifts to published. And finally, once the schedule is complete, I can download the schedule to PDF, allowing me to print it or share it. So now you can sign up to Urhere, create your shifts in seconds, use some of these time-saving tools to build your schedule in seconds, and manage any shift to make your schedule great.